morning. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I made for Jeremiah and Kaiser for lunch. It's nothing spectacular. It's a couple of sandwiches, but I figured I'd break the camera out and show you guys in case a couple of moms just want to know, little lunch container ideas or just anything. I just wanted to just film it for you guys. So these lunch boxes, well, actually not lunch boxes, these lunch containers I got from Dollar Tree. They're actually like little salad or fruit and veggie bowls, but I used it for their sandwiches. The small blue ones I also got from Dollar Tree, and this is what I'm going to keep their fruit in. So the big ones I'm going to keep their sandwiches in or whatever food they have for the day, and then the small ones I'm going to use for their fruit. So I'm going to cue the music, sorry, and let's get right into this video.